morning. We're at the Winton V8 Supercar racing. What is this?
V8 Supercar event.
V8 Supercar event. Lumi's first time. Lumi's so excited, aren't you? She's cold. It's about
hot chocolate.
13 degrees. Yeah, we're going to pump you with Red Bull and hot chocolate.
It's warm, man.
All right.
Shining.
Mark is apparently going to put Lumi in a race car around the track a few times.
No, that's not going to happen at all.
All right.
Depends on how good she is.
Yeah.
You can't mess around in here.
Let's do this.
Cool.
Paul,
G'day, mate. This is Lucinda.
I might have to lift you in.
Do you want to jump in? They're letting you. Daddy can't, but you can. Come on, come on.
Daddy's too big.
Daddy's too big.
Oi. I'm on a diet. I promise.
Quickly before Gary sees.
Pure vodka.
What do you reckon?
How cool is this?
I reckon you'd be lighter than James Golding too. So that might work.
Hold on.
It's a bit faster than Daddy's
Even spoken again.
It's not bad to be in the pits, eh?
Quite a while, actually.
It's first time, eh? In the pits. Lumi's a little bit cold. But meant to be safe, not comfortable. How do you feel? You want to race it? You reckon it's faster than our Outlander?
Yeah.
Alright, hop out. See if you can hop out. Tiny, eh? You can even ride it. I've lost Lumi. I have no idea where she is. Lumi. Ah, here we go. What are you doing?
Oh, look, ready?
Whoa. His wheels off the ground, look. Whoa. Oh, look at that one. You want to try?
Driving?
Are we trying?
Yeah. Someone else
scared?
is driving.
Huh? Yeah, someone else is driving. Are you scared?
Yeah.
You said you're scared before.
We're gonna go under the car.
So We're going to do wheelies, burnouts.
Not today, no.
How are you going back there? It's comfortable. It's comfortable. Have you got a TV back there?
Not in this one, you know. There's no rear seat entertainment.
How you feeling? No? Not happy? Oh shit! That's pretty full on, eh? Holy crap. What angle are we on?
That's only 40 degrees.
Pretty scary.
So that's 40 degrees. So we're actually going to go down at 45. But where I drove that up, nice and gently,
Yeah.
I'm going to let the car drive itself down.
Oh, okay.
So all I'm going to do is I've told it I want the car to come down approximately 3 kilometres an hour. I'm going to take the foot off the brake and just let it do its own thing.
Oh my god. I didn't tell you I'm not good with heights, did I?
You wet the seat, you dry the seat, alright? Alright, so feet off brakes, there we go.
And that's why I drink.
Breathe.
Thank you, Paul.
That's alright, Paul.
Holy,
No problem.
holy crap. Paul asked you how you're going.
How are you going? You still with us?
My mind's out.
Your mind's out.
Paul, fantastic. Thank you.
That's
Have a
all
lovely
right.
day.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
Holy crap.
Thanks for coming down.
So, Monkey, how was it?
Very good.
Yeah, you enjoyed the car racing?
Yes.
What did you think of Mark's job?
Very.
Very bored.
I was almost gonna say very boring.
You think Mark's job is boring?
Yeah, he's just he's talking about cars.
Yeah, you don't like cars?
Yeah.
Oh, well, what'd you come for then?
For you,
Oh, come on, I wanted to show you.
I did like it,
Yeah.
but everything about cars. It can be motorbikes better.
You like motorbikes better? All right, Mark, you hear that? Next one is motorbikes. All right. So Lumi said she had a boring day at the racetrack. Well, because of that, she gets to miss out. Because me and Marky Bear are gonna sit down and have a few cold ones tonight with a, I would say, a mediocre view. Yep, just a mediocre view. Oh, don't want to drop the camera.
That's why I'm sitting over here.
Yeah. That's a pretty good view. I've got the camera going, recording the time lapse, so I'll put the time lapse in at the end of the vlog. Subscribe, like, all that stuff. See you next time. Catch ya.